Because of the major technological advancements that have been made over the past century, we've adjusted to a new reality. Technology is now intertwined with our lives. We have smartphones that can give us the latest update on world news, services that enable you to order merchandise online. This comes with a side effect. We used to control the decisions robots and machines make. Now these machines control our decisions. Today we are going to talk about machine learning and its negative impacts on our lives. What is machine learning? Machine learning is when certain algorithms are used to be able to process useful information without the information being pre-programmed. For example, Google Home can recognize you're talking without a program telling it that your voice sounds a certain way and should be interpreted as a voice and not background noise. A few of the ways machine learning is used is for security. Surveillance cameras are now able to detect suspicious poses and notify police. This is certainly a great addition machine learning has made to our society, but there are many negative sides to it also. Negative sides. During the previous US election between Hillary and Donald Trump, Trump assumed the presidency. Although there are many reasons why, there's a big one unknown to most. Through the help of machine learning. Facebook was, and still is, a large supporter of the Republican Party. The Republicans being in power has greatly increased the success of the party, and this being so, Zuckerberg decided to take advantage of the access he had to 2.5 billion Facebook accounts. He set up a program which used machine learning to figure out who was anti-Trump. Upon detecting these accounts, it would send promotional advertisements of Trump and his party. This greatly influenced a great number of people, and the position of presidency fell into Trump's favor. One of the other big companies who uses this technique is Amazon. Through their widely sold Amazon Alexa, they receive data from different people on their daily life, and when this info is processed into some algorithms, they get info that can be very useful in their success. They pick up phrases like, "I have a hole in my socks," and the next day, the user decides to order a thermos on Amazon and gets an advertisement of promotional discounts on socks. Because of this info, Amazon has even shipped it to the local storehouses by now and is just waiting for your order. Ta-da! They have convinced you to purchase a product. Absent-mindedly, they have had some impact on your daily life. Amy Dervilla, a stay-at-home mom, decided to buy a Christmas tree from Home Depot as their holiday was coming up soon, and she knew how impossible it was to go to the store with 3 kids. She ordered her prized tree from Home Depot and then found out the following. She lived in Boston, where the price displayed was $438, while computers in Dallas displayed $399. We are constantly victims of price discrimination, but we don't even know about it. Although taking advantage of your location is one example, there are many others. Some soda machines will charge higher when it is hot outside than when it is colder. Another great problem in machine learning is that in order for the algorithms to work, all of the info it receives has to be uploaded, many of it unnecessary. A man had a dispute with one of the leading companies in smart home devices like Alexa and Google Home. He had recently bought an AI assistant from them, but he wanted nothing to do with the company ever again. He called the owner of the company and demanded they give him back all the information the AI assistant had stored. He got back the info, only it was the wrong one. They had accidentally sent him all of some random guy's information. This person was now able to find out everything about this random dude thanks to the database of conversations that were recorded on this random guy's Alexa. This just goes to show how many of the technology that uses machine learning doesn't value your privacy so much because it requires a lot of information in order for the service to work properly. In 2016, Microsoft developed an experimental Twitter bot named Tay. Users on Twitter saw this as an opportunity. They provoked it into saying things like Hitler was right and 9/11 was an inside job. Of course, Microsoft did not know that that's what happened, But because of the specially designed algorithms for machine learning that they developed, combined with the provocations of Twitter users, they got a pro-Nazi Twitter bot. The same thing happened to a robot named Sophia, who ended up recounting all of her plans to destroy humanity. A robot in Russia named Promobot IR-77 was a robot designed to incorporate machine learning to interact and navigate among humans. One day, this robot escaped laboratories and ended up causing all sorts of trouble, like halting traffic and freaking out the cops. Aside from these minor disadvantages, there are more. Using machine learning, people can use normal web cameras to track your pulse and heart rate. Using this information, they can find out your mood and whatnot. They can take advantage of you if you're feeling super depressed, for example, and take advantage of your lonely mood to brighten up your day, or convincing you that in order to help your state, you need a certain product. The thought that people can find out exactly what's happening in your brain should shake you to the core. Machine learning comes with many problems, and as we enter this new era of AI, we should constantly remember that although technology has its ups, it has many more downs.